Want to take control of your money, without becoming a spreadsheet zombie? You need one thing, a simple, personal wealth dashboard. Let's build it in 3 steps. Step 1, track what matters. Open a Google Sheet or Notion page, and make these 5 boxes. Income, salary, side hustle, passive streams. Expenses, split into fixed and variable. Investments, stocks, crypto, real estate. Debt, loans, credit cards, EMIs. Net worth, assets minus liabilities. Boom. That's your command center. Step 2, automate the inputs. Make it easy to update. Use bank exports. Set calendar reminders. You want this dashboard to run on autopilot, not willpower. Step 3, review once a month. Set a 15-minute monthly ritual. Pull up your dashboard. Check. Is your net worth growing? Where's the leak? Are your goals on track? This tiny habit gives you financial clarity most people never have. If you're serious about building real wealth, start with visibility. No dashboard equals no control. Build yours today. If this helped, like this video and comment below. Do you track your net worth or are you starting now? And if you want a free dashboard template, let me know in the comments. I might just drop it.